Hi guys! If you want to learn how to make chocolate chip muffins, then keep watching. This is an easy and quick recipe which is perfect for breakfast or brunch.
You need 156 grams of flour, add half teaspoon of baking soda and half tablespoon of baking powder. Stir it. So I used 25 grams of chocolate chips and 25 grams of white chocolate chips. That is 50 grams in total.
Feel free to increase the amount of chocolate chips.
Coating the chips in the flour mixture helps to prevent it from melting. And this helps the chips to hold its shape better.
Set the flour mixture aside.
In another bowl, add 1 egg,
57 grams of melted butter,
add half cup of buttermilk and 100 grams of sugar. Whisk it until it is well mixed.
If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Gradually add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients. Mix it well until there are no traces of flour. Butter and flour your pan. This recipe makes 6 muffins. Scoop the batter into the pan, fill it all the way to the top. Add some chocolate chips on the top.
Bake in a preheated oven at 210 degrees Celsius for the first 5 minutes. Then reduce to 180 degrees Celsius
And bake for another 12 minutes. If there is anything you don't understand, leave your question in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer them. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. See you again next week.